Eero WiFi extender. Hello viewers, in today's video you are going to learn how to fix Eero WiFi extender blinking white. So let's get started. If your Eero extender is flashing white, start by checking the power connection. Make sure the power cord is firmly plugged in and try reconnecting it to ensure proper power supply. If that does not solve the issue, reset the extender. Press and hold the reset button until the light turns red. Then let go. This restores the device to its original factory settings. Once the extender restarts, open the Eero app and add the extender back to your network by following the on-screen setup instructions. Next, verify that the device is running the latest software firmware in the application. Select the extender and look for an update option. Install any available updates. If the blinking white light continues even after these steps, reach out to Eero customer support. They can guide you through advanced troubleshooting if needed. And that's all. That's how you will be able to fix Eero Wi-Fi extender blinking white.